Most people think they need a designer in order to create a logo, but this took me under 5 minutes. You can do this for free using Canva, even if you've never designed before. You're watching Tech Head Studio by Alish. Let's get started. So if you haven't already got the Canva app, then you can download this from your Play Store if you have an Apple phone. It's really quick, it's really simple. Or if you have an Android phone, you can download it from your Google Play. Going onto our app, we're just going to type in logo. This way, Canva will provide you with the right size that you need. So you will see that there's so many different templates that you can choose from. Quick disclaimer, any template that you see with the crown is for Canva Pro, which means you have to pay for it, but any without, you can use for free. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to start by creating a blank template. Once your template opens, it will again pop up with all the templates on the first page that we saw. Just reminding you obviously that you can use one of them. But as I said, for the purpose of this video, we are going to start with a blank page. So at the bottom here is where you will find all your Canva and AI tools that will help you create your logo. So I'm going to create a logo for an imaginary technology company. So the first thing I'm going to do is tap onto the page and I'm going to just change the background color. So you have your solid colors and gradients. You can also mix your own colors, but we're going to keep it simple and just go with the color black. Black or white background is really simple and easier to work with. So now at the bottom of our page, I'm just going to click on text, add a heading and type the heading of our company that we're using today, which is Novatech. Then click on this item here to make it all capital letters. You can also change the font, and there are so many to choose from, but I'm going to keep it on the one that I currently have it on. So I'm now going to add a tagline, and for this I'm going to use a section that says add a little bit of body text. This will make the text a bit smaller, even though you can change the size, but it'll be much easier to do it this way. So my tagline is AI solutions, and again I'm putting it all in capitals. So I'm just clicking on the text itself and moving it around to put it in a position where I feel best comfortable. I've now clicked on my tagline and I just want to space the letters out a bit just to give it more of a professional look. So now I'm going to head over to advanced. Click on where it says letter spacing and just drag the bar to the right. The further I drag it, the further apart the letters will be. Now I just want to add a logo, so we're going to click on elements. In the search bar, I'm just going to type in tech, as we are doing a logo for a technology company. And I'm going to just scroll through to see which image I like. There's so much to choose from. I'm going to click on this nice simple one right here and just move it to where I want it. Now that I have everything in place, I'm just going to click on the image and just add an effect just to make it stand out a little bit more. So if you click on effects, then shadows, different ones that you can choose from. I'm just going to go for glow just to lift the image a bit. And I'm going to just change the color. So as you can see, I'm changing the color. I'm just going to go for a blue, but more of a royal blue just to enhance the logo that's already there. Then click on intensity and drag it to the right just to make it more intense. So I've zoomed in so you can see what it looks like. You will see it. So now I'm going in and making a few additional changes, just selecting half of the text and taking it off bold so I can bring out the tech more and let it stand out. Earlier, we selected an image for our logo that had no background. But what if we saw an image that did have a background that we wanted to use? I'm going to show you a quick way that this can be done. First, I'm going to start by deleting the image and going back to elements. Earlier, we had typed in tech, but I'm going to type in something different, AI this time. And instead of going to graphics, I'm going to go over to where photos are. And I'm going to look for an image within a photo that I like and select it, removing the background to show you how this can also be used. Now that we have selected the photo that we want, we're just going to click on BG Remover at the bottom, and this will automatically remove the background. Now we're going to go back to the logo that we made earlier by just clicking on this back arrow here. Once you're happy with your logo, you can go ahead and download it. Just click on the right icon at the top, hit download, and then you can choose the file type, but we're just going to go with PNG. Once it's downloaded, it will give you the option to share via social media or other platforms. However, you can just exit and it will save directly into your gallery. And that's how you create a logo in just under 5 minutes. Thank you for watching. If my video helped you, please like, subscribe for more videos.